Hi everyone, let's solve the mail it code challenge. Today is the day 6 and the problem is majority element. So given an array of size n, find the majority element. The majority elements of the element that appears more than n by 2 times. You may assume that array is non-empty and the majority element always exists in the array. So in 3 to 3, a majority element is 3 because 3 exists 2 times and 1 is 1 time and n is 3. So 3 by 2 is 1 and greater than 2 is greater than 1. And here in example 2, the 2 is exists 4 times and the n is 7. So n by 2 is 3 and 2 existence of 2 is more than n by 2. So it's 2 is a majority elements. So this problem like can be solved in many ways. One is like simply brute force. Let me write down the brute force approach just as a idea here. So the approach one is like brute force using two for loops and count the existence of num in first for loop 2 second and check how many times how many times is exists the particular num and do it for all nums in array and check if whenever. So the complexity of this solution would be like O of n square, O of big O of n square, because we are running 2 for loop, big O of n square, and the space complexity is O of 1. So the time complexity of 1 square and the space complexity is uh, O of 1 constant. Another way we can solve this is as quick, like just second way we can sort the array, basically sort the numbers array, sort nums and just check with the value and just return the value as nums of n by 2. Whatever value at the nums of n by 2 is our majority element. So this solution can be depend on your sorting algorithm. If you are using, let's say, merge sort or quick sort, so the time complexity of this solution would be order of n log n, and the space complexity is also depend on your sorting algorithm. So this would be like constant in case of merge sort. And let's saw another way we can do is more better, like so in third approach we can use the map and count the occurrence of each num and check the occurrence of which num is greater than n by 2. So this solution would have time complexity of O of n and also the space complexity is O of n. But we can do more better. There is a standard algorithm like Moore voting algorithm, which will help us to solve this. So let's think in Moore voting, like we can say check, we can potentially choose first num as a candidate and mark it as like 1, count it as 1 plus 1 and other different numbers as minus 1. So we can change the count, like we can count it plus whenever count occurs 0, then we can ignore that array till that index the array. So let's start, let me take int count equals to 0, int candidate equals to 0, and start from the for. Let's start the solution for int num in nums. So start with candy. So this should be if count is equal to 0, then candidate, like our majority candidate, potentially candidate can be num, and then if num is equals to candidate date, then count plus plus, else count minus minus. In the end we will get the majority element in candidate and checks. Let's run our code. So in the given input 3 to 3, majority element was 3 and we are getting 3. Let's run the custom test second test example. So the second example, and let me add few more custom test cases like 2 and 2, and the custom test for 1, and run it on the custom test cases. So let's check the diff. So whatever expected we are getting. Let's try to submit it. So this is got accepted. So this solution time complexity, let me write down here, time complexity of the solution is O of n, and the space complexity of the solution is constant because we just using constant variables. So this is the fastest algorithm for this majority element. For one more challenging problem in LeetCode, there is a majority element 2. You can try that. I will add the link in the description. Thank you. If you like, hit the bell icon, subscribe.